Out here, back on my straightaway, about 24 at half, 24 and a half. So, might go a little bit over 30 minutes. See if I can pick up some of this time when it's down here. Yeah, I'll always take advantage of it. This is gravity. Gravity pulls you down, so just roll with it. All right, traffic is on its way up. Let's hit the sidewalk. Light just turned green, so I should have it across 25 and a half. In about 20 good seconds, I'm good. All right, pick up the pace a little bit. Light just turned yellow, so traffic is all good. All right, I made it. Ooh. Another slight incline. So let's catch this. What I need to do, take me a water break. Let's come over here, catch these stairs real quick. Take me a water break. Nice refreshing H2O. I slow that pace down a little bit so I wouldn't waste any drops. All right, time to pick it back up. I hate slowing down because it's hard picking it back up, but I feel fresh this morning. So let's get this in. Stay on the shoulder. All right, about 28 minutes in. About a mile ago. Stop sign. Good morning. I'm across the street right here because there's two big dogs. A couple of months ago, that was my scene of the infamous dog chase. Where every morning I would pass this way and say good morning to my friends in the matter. I'm just calling to see if they're out in the backyard. As you can see, previously there was a chain link fence, but the owner has built up a wood fence, a brown wood fence. God bless him. I don't got to think about getting at his dogs now. All right, about 29 and a half. Back on the way towards the household. Passing up Krispy Kremes. About to pass up McDonald's. Walgreens up the way. "30 minutes in, sign off until a little later."